Right now, somewhere in our galaxy, there are objects so powerful that nothing can escape them. Not planets. Not stars. Not even light itself. These cosmic monsters are called black holes. They are invisible, incredibly powerful, and terrifying. But here's a question that sounds like science fiction. What if a black hole suddenly entered our solar system? What would happen to the planets? Would Earth be swallowed instantly? Or would something even more catastrophic happen first? Let's find out. Black holes are born in one of the most violent events in the universe. When a massive star reaches the end of its life, gravity crushes it inward. The star collapses into an incredibly tiny point called a singularity. This point is so dense that its gravity becomes unstoppable. Around it lies a boundary called the event horizon. Once something crosses this invisible line, there is no escape. Not even light can get out. That's why black holes appear completely dark. Even though they are invisible, their gravity can reshape entire regions of space. Black holes don't always stay where they formed. Some of them wander through the galaxy for billions of years. They drift silently through space like cosmic predators. And because they emit no light, spotting them is extremely difficult. Astronomers usually detect them by observing how they affect nearby stars and gas. So if a black hole were approaching our solar system, we might not notice it immediately. But eventually, something strange would begin to happen. The first warning signs would appear in the motion of the planets. Our solar system is like a perfectly balanced machine. The sun's gravity keeps every planet moving in stable orbits. But if a black hole came close enough, that balance would begin to break. Mercury's orbit might suddenly shift. Venus could drift slightly away from its normal path. Asteroids might shoot out of the asteroid belt like cosmic bullets. Comets from the outer solar system could suddenly rush toward the sun. Slowly but surely, the once stable solar system would begin to fall into chaos. As the black hole moved closer, things would become even more dangerous. Planets could be pulled out of their orbits completely. Some might collide with each other. Others could be thrown out of the solar system forever. Even Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, might not be safe. Jupiter normally acts like a giant shield. Its gravity protects Earth from many dangerous asteroids and comets. But the gravity of a black hole is far stronger. If it passed close enough, even Jupiter could be dragged away. Once the largest planet is gone, the entire structure of the solar system could collapse into chaos. Now let's talk about the most important question. What would happen to Earth? If the black hole passed far away, Earth might simply shift into a new orbit around the sun. Life would be affected, but the planet could survive. But if the black hole came closer, the effects would become terrifying. Black holes create extremely powerful tidal forces. The side of Earth closest to the black hole would feel much stronger gravity than the opposite side. This difference in gravitational pull would begin stretching the planet. Scientists call this process spaghettification. As Earth moved closer, the stretching effect would become stronger and stronger. Oceans could rise into massive tidal waves. Earth's crust could crack under enormous stress. Volcanoes might erupt as the planet's interior becomes unstable. The entire surface of Earth would begin collapsing under extreme gravitational forces. If the black hole got too close, Earth itself could begin to tear apart. Huge pieces of the planet might break away and spiral toward the black hole. But the most terrifying moment would come if Earth crossed the event horizon. From far away, it would look as if Earth were slowly freezing near the edge of the black hole. Time itself would appear to slow down. But from our perspective on Earth, things would look very different. Gravity would keep getting stronger and stronger. Eventually the planet would stretch into a long stream of matter. And then everything would disappear into the black hole forever. Fortunately, this nightmare scenario is extremely unlikely. The nearest known black holes are thousands of light-years away from Earth. Space is unimaginably vast, and the chances of a black hole wandering directly into our solar system are incredibly small. But scientists still study black holes because they reveal some of the deepest secrets of the universe. Black holes can bend space itself. They can slow down time. And they can swallow entire stars. They are among the most mysterious objects in the cosmos. And even though they are terrifying, they help us understand how the universe truly works. If you enjoyed this journey into one of the most powerful forces in space, make sure to subscribe to Quantum Fact Zone. Because the universe is filled with incredible mysteries, and we're just getting started.